Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change YouTube app region on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open YouTube. First open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure you are signed in. Step 2. Tap your profile icon. Next tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Open settings. From the menu, tap settings. Step 4. Go to general settings. Next tap on the general to access regional options. Step 5. Change location. Next tap on the location, then select the country you want your YouTube region to be set to. And this directly changes your YouTube app region. Step 6. Check your feed. Scroll through your home page. You will now see trending videos, recommendation and content from your new region. And that's how you can change your YouTube app region on iPhone in just few steps. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.